Getting started. 1. Listen and read. C. Complete the sentences with the words in the box.
Wing speaking.
Hi, Wing. How's your stay there?
Hi, Nick. Well, it's more exciting than I expected.
What are you doing?
Lots of things. It's harvest time, so we help load the rice onto buffalo-drawn carts, ride it home and dry it. Have you ever ridden a cart?
No, but I'd like to.
And sometimes I go herding the buffaloes with the boys.
You've made new friends?
Yeah, right on my first day. They came and we went flying kites together.
Where can you buy a kite in the countryside?
The people here don't buy kites, they make them. My grandfather's made me the largest, most colourful kite I've ever had. It looks great up there in the sky.
Oh, I'm so envious.
Haha, I guess. I live more happily here, and there's still a lot more to explore.
Sounds great.
And everything seems to move more slowly here than in the city.
I wish I could join.